Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back again, my gorgeous people. Don't be small gbege for inside town, my country people. Make una come see how Sokoto take wear trouser, my people. Now, don't hear that one before. They say Sokoto wear trouser. Don't be small matter for inside Matthias Mato. Another one don't happen again. This time around now about mommy British Okpaika and Lolo, one of UK. My people, this matter where I want give una so the matter don't go vera. You understand? It don't go vera. Now I say okay, make I just still bring and come give una happy Christmas and New Year in advance. Now no say Christmas and New Year already they approach my country. People, how una say the Christmas and New Year and how with the preparation, you understand? As I got the load, now so preparation for Xmas still the load, my people. Not be small matter, mommy be and mommy. Okpaika don carry voice record show come outside, my people. Make una come see the matter wey dey for inside town. Make una come hear wetin dey sup, my country people. As e dey hot, nice. Okay, make I quickly just play this video give una. Make una come see wetin dey happen. You understand, my people? This matter have been on for a very long time, my people. This matter between Mommy Okpaika and Lolo one of UK. So the matter don't take way two of the get banamish, but this time around the matter is strong and it get as it be, my people. Now I say okay, no problem. Make I quickly just bring the matter come knock for una table. Make I let una know wetin dey happen. Say it don't set again on my country people. Say Mommy B&B don't come outside with one ogbonge record. Abeg, if you are just watching for the very first time, you fair watch, you never subscribe. Abeg, after watching this very video, subscribe and on your notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified that I just uploaded a new video. By doing so, God bless you. To my new subscriber, you all are welcome, and to my returnees, may God Almighty bless you all for me in Jesus' name. My people, not be small matter, not be small gbege for inside town, my country people. So make una come see wetin dey sup for inside town, my people. This very matter, I don't know as I want to talk, my people. I bet me una carry anything. Make una carry puff, because this one don't pass popcorn don't they pay for teeth now. You understand? Now anything and puff now you will fit download this matter where it dey for grant for here. You understand, my country people? So now this now that is anything and puff now you take download this matter. Make una for here the matter where we make for enter here where I beg just carry puff and anything near body. When you start to the not let them reach one crate so that me you not go sleep forget the matter where it dey for time, my people. You understand? Because at least 2 bottles is okay for you. You understand? If you take 2 bottles, they use the cover they just they drink can small. When I know the cover of the bottle, na put them for cup. Use the cover take the balloon and put for man so that you go they understand wetin they play for inside this video where you want watch. But carry your puff near body as well. So my people, now so we see the matter for inside town. So who will settle this matter where it dey for town? Now we no know. So my people, now I say okay, make I just bring and come give una. I want to use this opportunity to thank all of una where they watch all my videos, where they come, they subscribe, they share, they leave comment for me in the comment section. Now God Almighty will feel bless una, will feel reward una for this blessing una don't do for me. So my people, I go leave una make una watch the full video for inside. So my people, I beg make una help me share this video. Now understand. Thank you very, very much, and I so much appreciate everyone. I appreciate all the people that have been watching, that have been subscribing, that have been sharing. God Almighty will definitely bless you all for me. May God carry saga away from you. I beg, if you know say you never buy anything, as I dey upload this video, I beg quickly call a bookie way in front of your gate. May he bring anything, just 2 bottles for you. Happy view, guys, and share this video. God bless you. Bye.
Hello guys, where's my water? Sprite. Hello. How na day as you dey come, just dey share and dey press. Hey, don't rap, see beautiful queen. As una dey come, press, share. Are you getting me? Hi, princess. Let's play the music. As you dey come here, press and share. And support me with star too. Let's play this. Degunu we na omodo weta mi ma be Facebook o wa no da fun we gbo we ri mama be Facebook o igonu ya to wa onu we ri e mari ma o lo le ga iya gege Benjamin bo no do wa wo to e bo no je Benjamin bo nera la lu he bo bene Benjamin pa lose era ga la lu he kian bene Benjamin pa lose era ga ka ho kian uhe bo no keke uhe bo no gogo uhe bo na pese ere Benjamin no oju he la lo oju nu la lo oye ho la lo oju hu la lo cha come here. Imena gada gudu one for okiri. Iga agbo e ati wo poba. Ere Benjamin bo. Ere Benjamin no lalu hewe webo. Iya. Ere Benjamin no reje mi bo. Oba gun kyoto wa fi e won o. Uhe dede Gege. Bah. Come for here. You are stupid. Come for here. You are very stupid. Imeweyaku. Who they play with a dede? Hey, what am I not me? A dede now scatter. A dede now zing. A dede no bet. Hey, stop there. I want to stop you, man. Let's go there. You don't know my name, Benjamin, for Facebook say, oh, level him in one good one of face and lands. He when now they total everybody when I went now you remain. And I will teach you lesson and teach your father a lesson. Everywhere on la lady. Everywhere since Benjamin come here. Benjamin never ya like webo. O my yo wade. O my yo wade. Why you no call him Gemini? I heard the David Zinger, ya, no mammy, boy, agbo. Ere Benji, wala, like have a Jemmy. Benjamin, everyone, your boy, agbo, when I like Libya and there with Bono Aragmo. Maybe a boy, like Benjamin, Uzaga Aragmo. Then where is one way, hippopotamus in you. Benjamin, maybe a boy, like the last check. He may not know, do go one of face and land. Ever him for that matter. Come for here. Wait me, I'm a Benjamin, as you grow rich, everywhere you see lady, edi ho ne doma vi gemi, iko ni ne adanyo fiat. Everywhere you see lomo. Benjamin, varena gbo pai. Benjamin, a question I ask you that day, you come the trauma for your father and your mother when they sell akara, when they sell a gift for Uromi. He go from Uromi, Benjamin. Your dad ask you question, why you allow your wife to be insulting my husband? Is it not what I asked you? I said, why you allow your wife to be insulting my husband? Benjamin, is it painful? God will punish you. Last check up. Benjamin, a question I ask you. My husband not near your wife one day. Your wife not know my husband one day. He can't face, we can't describe my husband. How dare you, Benjamin? You are stupid. Benjamin, Oja, everybody jatere. Everybody able you not get house for Rome. You not get for Benin. You not get for Lagos. You not get for abroad. Benjamin, every abroad buwe. Who dare you? What way no game making? What way no game making? Hey, what way no game making? And another one, let me advise you guys. Listen. If you know you are my real fans, yes. If you know you are my real fans, you want me here they insult me. Now they go comment rubbish. I bet please stop it. Stop. I don't need it. I don't need it for Adam. You dey hear me? A real fans will not allow anybody to bring this up for me. Toby John, la wo. Then they use you now they describe it. When you say now London here you day. You dey every day you say, Mommy be I dey your back, Mommy be I dey your front, Mommy be even Benjamin they insult me yesterday, Toby John. You were there. You can't not even right to say you are crazy, you are mad. You go come my platform, call the insult Monica. Stop it. I don't want. I don't like it. If you are doing it, stop it. I don't need that. He tell all the fans not to insult me. Everybody there in Opa. You now you go to use hand to bring insult for me. You dey back and there they do her. Me not even know you for face. Every day you go they say, Mama B, I see you with this. I see you with that. You dey back and there they look me. You cannot even present yourself to me. So what kind of person are you? I beg. Toby John, no. I have begged you before. I beg you again. I beg you with the name of God. Stop it. People will be thinking, nah, you know, I know you. I don't know you. Now describe it. You go say, Mama B, I see you for party. Mama B, I see you for picker. Mama B, maybe do your hair. Mama B, switch it your hair. Now you they tell me. You never tell me, say, see me, now me be Toby John. If you really love me, why can't you tell me, say, now you be Toby John? Let me hug you. Let me embrace you. You insult me for good 4 years for Monica platform. I kill you. No, you can't. You apologize to me. I'm sorry. I hear. But now, since the two people where you be the joy, they beat me. Then they call do your. You get your own platform. You get your own platform. They write anything when you like. I don't want verse for you. I don't want verse. And another woman, I not use Kate say na be Toby John. Toby John live in London here. He's here, UK. He live in UK. Which the other one, Toby John, you are here. You are here. You are here. Don't let me and you fight. Stop it now. Why are you doing that? Stop it. You deal with Monica for how many years? Insulting me. You come here, you say, I beg for because of you know Monica, this they will run for my platform. I don't need it. Here in a place for view. Everybody get right to enjoy themselves. You see me, they go here platform. Nobody don't ever insult me there. And they go there. When I go there, everybody they greet me, Mama B, Mama B, Mama B. If you know you are my real supporter, right? You no go they insult Monica everywhere you go. Okay, if you insult Monica, yeah? How do you think if I enter Monica world, if fans no go insult me? They go they insult me now. I don't like her, please. And they are using you now, describe Osage, describe this, describe that, which you are not, you are a woman. Come out there, Gege. You come to me, it's not a forbidden thing. But for you to the bullying, even though Iyeki offend you, maybe offend you in a way, when you okay, if you go Iyeki war, they write and put for there. Not for my war, no. You they can't change my topic. Ask me the talk, if I the beat person, join me beat the person. Now be view. You don't see General Robinson. General Robinson never want day. If person not they talk to me, General Robinson never want they attack anybody. Unless they talk to me. Hold on. Who they call me? Hold on. Hold on before I dagger you because I don't want to make your number. This thing. It go show for you. This one not the enter speaker. Who call me because no, hold on. Call me so that I will lower debunk. I'll debunk her. I'll come put on for speaker. Okay, wait to. Hold on. Oh, yeah, talk. Alpha. May I put on for speaker? Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Memorable.
That will be joy. Say if you want me to fish a man, we can fish out. I'm a computer expert.
I know now. No, leave on.
There's something I think I can.
No, leave on. No fish out.
Do everything. I'll fish out for you 1 week.
No, not fish out. He never do that. We know the quarrel. I just they tell him not go to insult Yeki again now. Because Yeki know they insult me again. I not be so.
And so make it 90 cents. Anyone you want me to fish out, mama, I fish out.
I know now. I know now. I say bro pass.
Everywhere, this thing, we'll fish out.
You know, send me they go computer school now. If I want, I will just give my teacher. My teacher go alone.
There's nothing like fake account.
No fake account.
They're not wise rich to block their Facebook IP. They will not locate us. So mama, anybody, just let me know. I'm here for you.
I hear, Gary. I hear.
Okay, mama, one love.
All right, Daddy. No, Mona not feature out to her beg. No, he never reach there. We never reach there. I beg. Mona live on. Only what I laugh, but now because they laugh. The thing why the Mona not fish out, Mona live on first. But Toby John, stop, I beg, stop. I don't want me that they describe you with your Sage, with Kate, with this. You not say you day with me here. But why you know Toby John, wait, I will beat you now. Well, if you know say you love me, why you know they show me yourself? Say, Mama, see me. All the rest way they do, I know them all. Then Nelly Black and Co, I know them. Stop it. You know, since if people get peace with me, all those want to get peace with them. Why you know they do like that? Huh? You know, Toby John, stop it. You never beat me for Monica platform. You see you now. Toby John, they pay you now. That time when they beat me for Monica, you know, say, so that's why I say stop. You were fighting me because me and Monica they fight, right? Now when people say me and Monica don't they fight again, why can't you make peace with them now? Make peace with everybody. Not everybody, not be Lolikia. Not Lolikia where they cause the head. Obie sick patients. You they hear me? But that one I'll be say sick patients. You understand me? The thing where he kill him, my mama not can kill him. You know, say too much of doctor. Una never know what the doctor discover about that woman. When he say he won't quick and do the last saga before he go. No lie, you no. If you tell me say you don't lie, Monica, you lie. Before you, Monica is your bestie. Yeah. Now you don't like Monica. Monica. Giving me start, darling. Why I was see? Benjamin Lare no do gbe o agbon. E ya ba fe ko lelewe. Uzuo. Obi e fe ami wa. Obi uki. Una no wait, una no Benjamin. I don't get Benjamin information. Benjamin was Okada man, Okada rider. You know, he say he go school. Benjamin no go school. Benjamin no go school. Benjamin be like me. Una know they see where they say if you want say plan, go say prak. A prank at here. Or man not gonna use school or you go see pronounce and passing. If you want say prank, go say prak. Or man not use school with your prak here. He won't call blessing. He say blessing. Eh? Omo no ye school when they or Benjamin win. Oh, te blessing or blessing. Area ya te blessing. Blessing is blessing. Blessing. Oh, we blessing. Benjamin, you know. Oswald. Benjamin, he was Okada writer in Uromi. After Okada writer, yes, he can't do cleaner, follow one woman. One woman will come for Europe. He can't express the woman will carry and go Europe. Now the woman say, Gege, your part the Europe, I don't fit carry you. Because if I carry you, you no go pay. Mama, na egusi breaker for room. You know egusi, people where they break egusi. If they break and finish, you go they sell am with cup. Ala ade. And mama they do ashawo. No, those so uromi talk of okpo. The mama na be the first. Mama Benjamin na be the first. Okporo kotu. Ashawo number 1. Iye Benjamin. Na be you. Oh, but any market where go, he must see customer. Inyi Benjamin Aki no said he must see me customer. Customer. Inyi Benjamin. I don't go through your lab. I don't go, you not get car. I don't go, you not get cloth. I don't go. I don't go. I don't go, go on, I go, every time I go, when you were. In were, oh, Oswald. Oswald. Good. Eh, where now we are? Share this video, guys. Where the other one battery don't charge. Yes, multiply. More than 1 year. When Lolekia did this grandma friend, there's somebody right now for my plan and say he's not talking bad thing about the friend because I never start. Oh, one bugwa. Oh, one audio na audio. Una de Chris. Oh, one bugwa. He now insert the friend now. You know, before they come beg me for back, he tell the friend. You be abona after kun le luwa no ga come comment no mama a wall. He block what if I don't need the people like you guys. I need responsible people who can reason. Who they reason, who they listen. A listener. That's what I want. I don't need the you know, listen, just they don't come before you come, they beg me. You not ask and say, why are you begging Mommy B? This video I play is not now. It's video of that time when Monica say, he won't scatter us, he won't scatter us, he won't discover, he won't make us separate. Oh, now that time they tell me, the day Zagazaga, the other, after he done the day Zagazaga, his friend come back to me, is apologize. Why they apologize? Because he lie. Because oge number one on social media. Oge both sense again. Yokpa oman guy anytime why oman no told if you dey for your friends drive van why anybody wey dey near you joke apart to let's remove saga away when you discover say your friends somebody like Faith now Faith dey do boy Faith when we make her keep quiet I be one make come utter a word now you are the way to your audio full mouth I be one make you utter a word. Now you are beat. Here is a suewoto. Here is a poloe. He went do it. Oh, not letting it. He go follow you do friends. He go they lie. He go they lie about the friend. You know say that person okpo. Oh no, okpo. Nay, he hand not the stay. He hand not the stay. He mouth not the stay. He leg not the stay. He body not the stay. He breast not the stay. He head not the stay. If you don't, he knows. Oga ya ota you with you. Okpo. Okpo one of nation Shengen. Okpo, where you? Where the Okpo? Only in your rebel words. I'll be Ladio, Okpo one of Shengen. When I have to make it when can't. Yeah, when you see a buyer, do a maga, do the daughters. Where's all who way, no why if you ever no allow it. Where my way, if you have no lily, where are they bon? Where my way, where DNA, where my unia? Where is Sakaba, where my unia? Opo where my walk when I went for your where? Where my friend? Eh, video ni la dona do amo. Pe ka se yi me gbe ni anate me adatras. Pe ka se yi me gbe anate me adatras. Iga gele Bible gboma wa. When me so ba create Bible ki you. Gboma. Gboma me be ni wa we. Wa re ba ayela lare. Wa ve meve. Du we magele weke. Oja. Ti pa ba we tinu re la lo. Ti pa ba we tinu me I they play with you they do. They play quickly. They. On actually they. On the hear me. Ah pine. Lare ya ben la wegbe.
No,
use a rub men. Na pikin wey reach talk to mama, then they talk to mama. Na mama wey reach talk to pikin, next they talk to pikin. You know, Lolo, you know, right from day one, say I love you, Monica. You know. No be that. You just can't pretend. You don't see the other one bring up for you this morning. I mean, no. Now see, I want to go carry people where this. You don't know where they fuck up.
Nobody.
You never see their face before. They know they pretty before because of life video that they found the one you go let them call they talk to you and here. For waiting now. Now you know this stuff, but don't be saying anything. You know the way we good. Anytime we do our things, we still settle. Settle our matter. Nobody they enter. My mama na he they talk to mama na he they talk to do that. Small children they wait never. Other than them through, you know now. People like us, when we call us, we sit down. Even they call us your children. People go they know say yeah, this one a real mama. But if wait, the time when I say una be my children when I call you, joke apart, we are not quarreling. Joke apart, we are not quarreling. When I say, beg, waiting Monica they do, I not like her advice, and you say you know the year. Now I say no, even though you know the year, tell her.
Una when they go right, say. Una when they go right, say. He not talk bad anything about a friend. As he say, his friend not the year words. No, it was where that won't be. But end of the day, we discover say, his friend the year words. You hear when me and Melekia still talk and say, his friend the year in France. Oh, now these idiots, we no go with Facebook, we no go no ya we kiakin ya we agbe ba. Say na him be the idiots with the Facebook. You know say na him be a kind. Esa we I can every kind we egbere ya we ho. Say na him no the year, say his friend the year. You know not say his friend the year when I enter and say, you know they do something one face business. Sometimes they talk and hear face your business first time. If you know the year, why is still hear our advice? Even me, I know they play that thing, they pick my advice. Why me, I go tell her, say, Monica, hey, show me your parlor. The chair, not they go wrong, go buy the chair. You know the year? He the year. Monica, hey, show me your year. You go wrong, go buy him. You know the year? He the year. Now that won't be picking. Oh, no, or I am yeah with me. Or I'm wearing, oh, yeah with me. Oh, yeah with me. Oh, yeah with now. I want to leave trouble. I may have a no here. That vice no here. No, now we a or curable of depression or curable of women in distress. Whereas or in your distress, whereas a distress in the idea or said boy. Whereas a distress, oh my God, a distress is a very distress. Right from day one, he was deceiving her second. Or he ran Germany. So that you will not transfer love to her. He ran Facebook. I didn't too. I got your Monica. Monica. But talking I'm not late. Oh, late. Okay, but your one, but you don't lay. The audio is here. 2015, go like to Iyeki called they curse me. And all the Benin people called they curse me. He said, I don't like Benin people. Hey, or Senakure, or una remember that year. Hey, good friends, or Peka won't scatter them. Or Peka won't scatter them. Enter among of them. This is the audio. Iyeki, you there? After you do that video, finish, come and apologize to me on your behalf. He come at this audio of 2015. I get more audio. I get more audio. This my phone, God will bless him. I'm not going to dash anybody. Because it contained a lot of things. You know why I do this thing that time? When I can't reset my face, my this thing. Because the lie on me, he paid me go reach my head. He paid me, I cry. Say, as the way I take love Monica, I don't hate this woman. Why this woman go spoil my name there? He can't let people hate me. So now from there I can't fire Iyeki. No. Can't fire her. Anything where shit, I go pick her, I will take her and beat her. If he mess, I'll pick her. Because when you love somebody, you can't go believe what your friend when be almost no son or no guy a Europe ya or a market wa gbawani. Oh, wait. In memory, but why this school? Why this school? Why you? The school were not one are not the intelligent. Me when not go school, I'm intelligent more than all of you with this Facebook. If I lie, I'm not go school. All of you go university today. This old woman is more intelligent, more than intelligent. I have everything. Even more than not worry. You know, say me, I be saying, you know, go when they play audio. People will see you finish. No, I don't want anybody to even love me. Few people that love me, I'm okay by that. Are you be my family? Come on. When you go say, I will not trust you. You know how many people all the way I get for you? You be say, I know we even play on one day. Vanish one time. He vanished one. He vanished. That woman realized herself, say, why I was in darkness. Who am I making friend with? Oh my God. Oh Jesus. When you want to talk about fire and down. I said, where you did in a completed building? Ayabana. So that may cool down. Any small snap, you go to snap. That day, that one put cloth for that. You put cloth for do. But show you your when you take camera, you won't show us so you did 3 bedroom for up, down a parlor, and then even a parlor. You don't show us full parlor. Your parlor, you show us your full parlor. You are Bella. Show us all your full parlor. You show us. May we not say you na kitchen and parlor join your thing. Tell her may video run, may not use cutting. Parlor join the kitchen. If you are Bella we pay. No babe. Sure, not be UK here, all of us. We know how house for UK be. No one when you go show when we no go know the inner heart. What as war? No ya mo no ba for 2015 till now. Oh we do one. Eh? I go show my house, go cut Monica na tole house. That one na obiere ogba video. But after they do that, it's one of you still come, still come you. You still come and say, Mama, I just the yard build the house fine. Monica will call me that time. Your house fine. He said, yeah, you try. But now when they fight, no one will understand. He said, you try, but we're there. But continue this, do something backward. I like him. But, well, yes, don't do something back home. When me again, Monica not on the talk and again say not do something back home. Obi are na ya rape you go do your ass. Why go? Azen. And they come my love. Eh? Hello? They come out. From that moment, I'll stop telling you my secret, or how I shit, or I piss, or I do this, or I do that. I will not back up because likewise, the day when me and you will quarrel, now so you will go quarrel another new friend. Pack and this, now so you chop that time, now so you don't eat that time. When I say, I know they come out for this my house. Unless na party day, now they come out for my house. Who like can make use and get sense? After all, my man not train us as wakajugbo. Anytime when you go home, when you see me, not my man don't. We know they come out. We be picking when they train well. When they feel me, let's go. Let's go for the reggaeton. They hear that, mama. When I hear now, I go to repeat her, mama. I will repeat and make your play finish. Mama, forgive me. Okay, I'll take her easy, Augusta. How are you? Augusta, long time now. When mommy with ya. You understand? I go play off finish. Mona Yera. He say, Mama, forgive me. Please. I don't know what I was doing. Every time, I don't know what they do. No time when they know what I'm doing. No time. No time. What I can't do you. We don't quarrel, we don't depart. Go your own way. Let me go my own way. Oh, solo, man. Oh, solo. You to say that thing when you do not make, I just want to leave you. Let you be because everybody don't know you. If they know that this Facebook is your feeding, even though you they do house to house domot now they knock up and down the day you they as hope your yama wash on. You they hear me? Upon all, you know the rest. You upon all, you see the a liquidate. You are a lucudemo. You are a lucuserere.
You still see when I tell them.
No, repeat. Oh yeah, Madame, before we enter second track.
No verse. Yeah.
I know talk.
Now picking where this not to mama, then they talk to mama. Now mama where this not to picking, that's they talk to picking. You know.
I get what I'm saying. What are they here?
Lolo, you know. Right from day one, say I love you, Monica. You know. You just can't pretend. You don't see the other one bring up for you this money. I mean, now see, I want to go ahead people where you don't know where they for come. You never see their face before. They don't greet you before because of life video that they found the one you go let them come they talk to you and here. But wait see now. Now you not this trouble. Don't be saying anything. You know the way we good. Anytime we do our things, we still settle our matter. Nobody they enter. Now if my mama na he they talk to mama na he they talk to do that. Small children they wait never. Other than dumb through, you know now. People like us when we galat, we sit down. Even they call us your children. People go they know say yeah, this one a real mama. But if wait, the time when I say una be my children when I call you, joke apart, we are not quarreling. When I say beg, waiting Monica they do, I not like an advice and you say you know the year. Now I say no, even though you know the year, tell her. But I love her. You don't understand. But end of the day, waiting come break or you come they go tell for public say I want scatter now, which you know say na lie. I know say na yabis. You know now. Now people can't really they come. You they talk for public. My wife mind no strong, and then cause up fast. Your wife no strong, man no strong. And they are measuring so. You say Papa forgive me. No, me. You know what? You still see when I tell them now say, Mona know your man Monica. Now say go me 5 minutes it don't go. All those one way they hot sick. I see a person way they hot like Monica. The 5 minutes now it can't go past.
You can't tell me say no good though.
Yeah, they go there, they wait for me.
You dey hear am? As I can't they say na it can't good pass, na it wrong. You know I don't they praise Monica now. It can't wrong. Make her they go wait for me for that say. Where they go? Where they go the other that man where they with there. He's waiting for me to come and carry soup. He wrong when he say you want to go there. Hey, I was sagaragua. It be like they confuse you this woman. You don't want to hate this woman. When I did that time when they say my wife, it not like this word where they call her more. It's the one that bring division on this Facebook. Now it bring Esa and Bini, which Monica don't even know say this woman na idiot not be Esa. Say na one akoko place na for con bush. Ekwe get kere no kere. Ekwe be mama atek ebona kere. Mona, may I hand this phone? Mona, listen to apology. Apology 1, apology 2, apology 3, apology 4, apology 5. We'll play one by one. Because after this one, I'll go relax. I will sleep. In the afternoon, we'll enter again. You know now. You want to use me find money? Area ball, where? Area ball. Oh yeah. Where this thing will stay? I cannot feel hold you for hand. I don't get that time. Mona, we might plug my phone, my people. Hey, where, no? Everyone go back no quick. Ogwelo me, le Benjamin la le din kan vi Jemi be ma ni oru, e di on ma re bi oru nu kara. Ofiofio re be Eri Benjamin. Eri Benjamin is called Afiofio. Afiofio. Eri Benjamin, I to Afiofio like. Yeah. Vare, mona kon apology. Kate. One a day, mona kon apology. The one when you apologize, when people forgive one. Don't be say they forgive and finish. Some people are still bitter. Una ladder clear. You say, I not receive the apology, I not accept. Who are you to say you not accept apology? Ogbon buela skache ko ne buya. We ni we asha wo one by one naira kobo. Ene kwemu hello dear.
To bring it out again, to deliver like the lolo you know. Oh, thank you so much.
Know where it can't they do this one. After Monica don't beat and big pan, you know, yeah, when no see my take come out. You can't that's the apology. Please, I want to come out again. I want to be real, lolo, you know. When I was saying women in distress, now I be this audio, guys. In case when you are listening, okay?
I've been commenting. Thank you so much. Everybody commenting, just passing back, just as
for this video that day, I gave her 150 pounds. That day, moi, the gallant woman, I give her 150 pounds so that I will get joy, so that I will get happiness. A day, my husband's sister come to me and say, "But where now say leave her. I want me get strength or take book." Which I know they want 1 naira. That do you know why when they cost me, no they reach my side? Because where I forgive her, if I don't spend for this woman, I will spend no less than 500 pounds for her. That very day way they do this, I give her 150. We want to take cookie, give your children you chop. You can't say one chop my own, not say the cost, not you know they work. And when Anna. Because if you ever chop my money, if you ever chop my money, I give her 150 pounds. I first give her 50, 20. You know? That's why I take they give her back. For YouTube. I have to deliver. I have to do. Well. Please, okay, wait me I revise her.
I saw you some.
Oh yeah, start beginning.
To bring it out again, to deliver like the lolo you know. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, you guys have been commenting. Thank you so much. Everybody commenting, just passing back, just as you. GT80, please, GT80. I saw you somewhere. You were very insulting. I understand your pain. I know how you feel. But please take it easy. Okay? Take it easy. Take it easy. I am sorry to anyone who I have knowingly or unknowingly hurt in the process. I am really and truly sorry. I never meant to hurt anybody. I was just carried away.
By who?
I was just carried away. And it got
You carried away by who? By your stupidity now. You carried away by your stupidity. Bless you, Joe, come and listen. You carried away by your stupidity. Nobody carried you away. You were carried away because you full of insults. You full of saga. Is it not inside the saga you are still now? Who carried you away now? Who carried you travel to America? Who carried you travel to the America? Who they say leave the audio? What is that? Now you they command me. I mean they command me. Thank you so much. This person will they give me star every time we wear cap for it. Now you they command me for my audio. I beg you. Don't tell me leave it, let it play. I'll play it. I will analyze that the way I like. Who carried you away now? You were just carried away. If you know say you be blogger, cut on, repeat, and that's what they do. When you reach where they talk, cut on, come on, repeat. You don't want work. You don't want carry it once. You have to work hard now, like Blessing Job. Blessing Job, they work hard. Who carried the way? You just carried yourself away from their side. Now they hear me? Nobody carried you away because if now somebody they work for your brain, as that one see not they do saga, why can't you present yourself as a good woman? Why can't you present yourself a woman that is not doing saga? Why can't you present yourself like, oh, I'm the best woman on the whole world? Why? If you are very loud with me.
Anybody, it's okay. Why am I apologizing? I'm apologizing for myself. It is good when you did something wrong.
Listen, oh.
Okay? Accept your mistake.
Ah.
I preach it. Never you shift your blame to any other person.
Okay. For here now, you say if person do realize in mistake, he have to apologize. That's what Kate do. That's why those voice of truth do. He come out. Now we first time can't do this, you know. We tell and say, before you they make noise for Facebook, come and apologize to all the people you are offended. We give them. It's only this advice. Say, without that one, people will beat you hands down. People will naked you hands down. Now me and Melekia. Now we tell and say, you have to come and beg. Now you, we say you should come and beg. Come and apologize. What am I going on? Hold on, my darling. That's the kind of apology Kate do. You not accept. Hello, love. Hello. Hello. Eh? Good afternoon. He did ni mo yo, if yo. Oh yeah. He did speaker. He did speaker. Oh.
Good afternoon, mommy. Good afternoon, everybody. Jesus Christ, mommy, I bet you when I may replay that place. As I hear my head, make boy.
Okay, make boy.
Lolekia and your rate say shame and disgrace one kid. He say, "Yaro, go the chop it for me."
He went now. We're going to pay
for me. I bet play that small place again when Lolekia use the mat or say, if you realize your mistake, go and apologize. I want to hear that place again, I bet, mommy.
I go do it. Not be you. I'll do it for you.
Then I'll tell her what I want to tell her.
Okay. Gag. This apology not be Kate and Edovo the way they say you lead down that day. You didn't lead down. You were even chopping shit. Me and Meleke and I will tell you, so go and apologize to the people you offend so that people will forgive you a little bit because all your fans they run away. You will not get single fans. Now me will not get sense. I can't dey fight. All my fans can't go meet you. Now they call it, mommy, now you say make we love and say, I don't care. Mona go. If you not go. Me not care. Love who you want to love. I cannot force you not to love her. But if you like me, they go in her inbox, say, Mona, not love me. I don't give a shit. But me, I not feel say don't love her. You can love who you want to love. Now they got me say, oh yeah, let's go. Regardez. I will start from the beginning because of people who want to use the recording.
To bring it out. Again, to deliver.
Hey.
Like the Lolo, you know. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, you guys have been commenting. Thank you so much. Can you imagine commenting just passing by? Just as
Mona, they give the video thumbs up, guys. Thumbs up.
GT80, please. Please, GT80. I saw you somewhere. You were very insulting. I understand your pain. I know how you feel. But please take it easy. Okay? Take it easy. Take it easy. I am sorry to anyone
Oh God, this. Play.
Unknowingly hurt in the process. I am really and truly sorry. I never meant to hurt anybody. I was just carried away. And it could happen to anybody. It's okay. Why am I apologizing? I'm apologizing for myself. It is good when you did something wrong.
Because say na Lolo or no put blame for Lolo. No. It don't happen, na me do am. If Lolo say can jump for fire, I know that I go for not jump. So for that reason, let me not too much put the blame on her. It don't happen, na me do am. Monica, please, sorry. Now Lolo can't do video in the night of it, or not sleep. I believe me, everybody go back, go listen to the
Listen,
video.
Kate. Hold on, may I tell you one thing? You know, say, hold on, they listen. You know, say you don't know Lolekia. Na me know am. You know, as you apologize to Monica, is jealous. He not like him. He not like him. You near Monica. He not like me when he did here. So you know why still they saga me?
Because the day that I will come out to come the bully Monica, whether fake account, if she do me something where I hate, I go bully her Facebook to Facebook, live video. Say I can't go fake account, go the bully Monica because say, now they use a parable also. I dey fear and I go make me go the bully her for fake account. If I know say I get I not fear her, may I come bully her for where people see me I face waiting I want face. Now make me talk and say, if Monica do me anything where I not like, he do something, I go still analyze and I go still talk, but without no hate now, because of my married no hate, I go do a live video. Say I want go stay under one fake account called the bully and waiting I want gain. All people go tell no waiting I they even try prove. I will never bully Monica or anybody. Go reach the Sarah self. Say I want use fake account, go the bully her. If people they bully them for fake account or anything, say okay, I people emoji laughing or anything. Me, I not go carry myself, say I want go bully that person underground. Me say I dey fear them. I no want come to open. Me say I dey fear them. I mean me want no one come to open. So for people to the think say maybe I go the bully Monica now. When I'm saying sorry, I am sorry indeed. Not be for 419 level. Indeed. So anything will come happen after them, I don't want to hear face say, see me see you. Now be me. For Lolikia to talk this thing, say if you offend somebody, you need to apologize. Now Lolikia can go do video that day. Say, Mona can see that the leaky shit.
You wait now.
When
You
fully know.
wait, Kate. I just Kate. Kate. I just this. I just the start. Oh. Me just the start. I see no. I get a lot. Oh. I just the start. This call. Hello, Michael. Me.
Even men is still there more than this.
Where worry? We work. We just boy. That's a boy. I said me. I let the dog sleep. Me say pay. Avia no John any be live video no gbe na never na. Ogiyan wa viro. Me we do pay ni lolo ya mu ya ria.
Nah, person like you, Mama, na person like you get many cats to bring come out. And you just let all the cats inside your house.
No worry. Then they bring down when it is time. They know they just hurry. Take.
Get many cats.
Now I make when I shoot gun. If I shoot gun, everywhere will represent. Now they hear me. He can jealous. He know they like another person. Una remember then when he with one girl they wear red. Now remember. When he go do cake, that woman can't do cake for her. He with the woman can't wear it. Then he with Monica be friend though. But he can't go they join another person friend. I can't do like they say, Monica, you know they see roots. Monica, what I tell that me say, this woman they disgust you for back. You know they hear word. If they spoil your name, you know they hear what come and now say le manya, you know they hear. Or they not say, okay. Oh, no. You know, I see with person that they wear say clothes. Be careful. Oh, my, what can be a song? If to say they listen to me, they take my pink advice. If I not can reach this extent, if I suffer me, you know what to tell us, say, they can't lot of. It to say, not tell us, say, they call lot of, with Mineki, at the con, will reach that extent. I take do that paper. When I dey interview them, you know, I be interviewer. I would say, how not take get the place? How not told you the place? Oh, how not take me or dog that one of his hand? Or go reach. They don't know say all the records they mass. The one when me like they take away. Mommy B, na me they tap he go right if I type, yeah one go there. Arigade, if I boo, arigapu. Wow, your boy. Me we go one. When he say where I know because you know say if you measure my name, I about better way you could never go. I go Jesus Christ. I go salo ya review our so igbe ni me wa we yan ro do. E so yo bi an yakulo da fin akọ. E so ro no je me gbege.
Not only you guys. Do you understand? So
let me repeat so that I will let blessing your carry. Blessing your come and carry. I not go talk proof for you.
GT80, please. Please, GT80. I saw you somewhere. You were very insulting. I understand your pain. I know how you feel. But please take it easy. Okay? Take it easy. Take it easy. I am sorry to anyone who I have knowingly or unknowingly hurt in the process. I am really and truly sorry. I never meant to hurt anybody. I was just carried away.
There.
I was just carried away.
Good.
And it could happen to anybody. It's okay. Why am I apologizing? I'm apologizing for myself. It is good when you did something wrong. Okay? Accept your mistake. I preach it. Never you shift your blame to any other person. And I'm accepting my own blame. It is difficult. Yes, it is. But the minute I accept my mistake, the minute I take responsibility of it, I will be able to walk through it. You understand? So that is it. I'm not apologizing to one particular person. I'm apologizing to everybody.
The draw is
my
free.
family, not only you guys. Do you understand? So that's it. Also, my peace. You know,
hello. All the stupid viewer where they follow now here. He say time is money. The time you waste is not coming back. Una de yara. Una de ye. Una de ye. Una de ye. Time waste. Una de waste time for a platform. Anytime wanna stay with her. Una de waste money.
Your time you are wasting, it's not coming back. I am apologizing to my fans. And if you are not my fans, you will never understand why I am apologizing. And I'm very, very sorry. Okay? If you are not my fans, if you've never followed me through the years, you will not know why I'm apologizing. So you will never miss me. To be honest, you will not know why I'm apologizing. But to my fans who know who I am, what I do, what I bring to the table, they miss that talent. And those are the people I am apologizing.
Okay. We'll stop there. I will not continue to play all the video. We see there now. So the one where you don't get that one for your brain. So we'll play another one maybe later or tomorrow. We day here now. Now we day, now we day, now we day here. Now we day, now we day, now we day here. Ogo logo day here. Now we day. Now mama, I gotta do the one of his allowance. Una yera, he say, una he get fans. How did you know somebody that have fans? Guys, let me explain to you. Somebody that have fans, even though you know they do anything, yeah, you will see that they are always there with you. They will not wait you do saga before they stand by you. Ordinary gist, it goes, ah, mama is online, let's gist together. That's why it's real fun. Let it take saga away from you. Not go see anybody. That's why they always, oh, they not come. It's like that in our sickness for where they, if you not see viewer. And that's why they say, hey, when I come, oh, hey, Benjamin la Louis Jamie, oh, what dog, Benjamin, what yours, oh, all the money you go because you need saga. When I see Benjamin, no where there, I tell you now, the first audio where you go and watch. I tell you now, say Benjamin, he want to Facebook this thing. Una no here because I want to talk to him. Spirit say, Mama, stop. He won't be presenter. Today now, I think they use chest that they saw too, they saw. Do you understand? Eh? He will, see what he will talk, he will come. But if they do good thing, go come spoiler. If you see, you know, matter now who Loleka be. Loleka, if you see say you get viewer, that thing they pay now. They pay now. If you say you they show person love, that thing they pay. But they want you to, Lord want you to gather everything where anybody they do for make it a platform. He want everything today platform. Today, I say I know they do saga. Atiti say mama not do saga again. I say okay, yeah. I say mama, we don't need you to do saga. I say yeah. Now I fought my arm, I let go. Now rest. I say okay, I not do saga. Man, they dance. They not they see her now. They not go see. Say this woman don't they insult me since I not talk to her. Hello.
So now she take they give herself power now.
Eh.
Now she take they give herself strength.
I carry.
Family, happy your mother.
I worry. You know, say video they will take cry for me. You know, say what do you call her? Melekia. Now I play you. You all cry. They come. He there with me. Mommy, I be not doing anything. Mommy, what have I done? Mommy, what have I done?
Family not go feel born pikin like that. And one drag one thing one way so I just talk. Now let that small place your court come and say yes. You know now.
He don't know. What he know? You know, say they know they give her away. So if you give her away, so you go hold her like shit. They know they talk way in the hole. If you go to all those can you go hold her. Because you not get work.
Thank you, ma'am. I believe you.
Mm-hmm. He not get work. That word where K talk na go hold on. K say if I not strong, not near me. K say if I not strong, who be you? You be shit. You be rubbish. Undan. No que den no yilawa. Ave le biabo. Ave gange putan. Ave gange ku ewia. Ave ku ewia. Ave gang. Ya ge gang when ne Franvito ado saga because the gang we okpo wa vun okpo. No here. When na you know na. No. Waro wodo. Wodo audio. My husband dey here. Me dey here. My husband dey Kafacha. They give us house. Not because government house you. The parents. You are bella. You parents. Why government give you house? I think your paper don't they work for this UK for how many years now? Your paper never they work for how many years in this UK? If not, you just they come. Your green resident just come out. How come? How come if you not get a proof to give? If to say your document not they work in this country before you enter this country, how come you get a immigration this thing, resident permit? You have been working here for so many years. Before they give you that resident permit, you have to be 5 years in this country. How did you get that one? Hello, Lekia, Messi Bello. Yeah, do I where you saw the immigration would hear what I'm saying? How come, Messi Bello? If your document was not working in this UK for good 5 years before you transfer yourself from Netherlands to this place, how come somebody was using your document to work? Yes, you are a criminal. You are a criminal. How come, my people? That paper where they show now when it runs come show now after 2 weeks where they here. If you know they work in this country for good 5 years, you can wanna wait me I bring the paper. In case if you don't understand what I'm saying. Oh Jack Bonjeni. Ovie Bello. Oh. Oswald. Oswald no mukolo. Mumu.com and the followers where they believe in you. What you are. My people, this is what I'm saying. You see this thing? Let me see it say verse. Wait. You see this paper? This one. This one. It can't show now for Facebook. Not be it can't show now. If you are not 5 years working and resident. Honestly. How you did? Okay. Oh yeah, go ahead. He did speaker.
Word for Lolekia.
Tell him.
Hello.
He did speaker.
I want to sing. I guess not. I want to sing for Lolekia.
Sing for him.
Social media warade twe mama bi fanoko warade twe o iya fanoko
Warade twe o.
Come see your truth, Lolekia. Twe your own.
Oku.
The ugliest presenter. Very ugly with obolo map and everything.
Go. Eri ma wa po wa ko. Eri ma wa po wa ifianyagbe.
Thank you, ma.
Thank you. I love your voice, man. Come they sing for me always. This my sister. Come they sing for me always. If una get, will you not see this voice now? Mommy big and fan loco. Yeah, he me must to fan loco. Yeah, me must to fan loco. Eko, he me must to fan loco. Yeah, my many maru pongwe. Yeah, he me must to gyola. Yeah. Me wani maregbe male ya owe eregbe le o ya egi meri seni a o baba imegi afanoko ya waya nu wa lare agi me na rupangwe o. Yes. Emi no leki ayu pangwe ya imegi afano kwa ya eno leki alave London ya e wana ri be awin na o ori wa se London ya owi yen resident permit o ya ime no kare mana ime ke na ri o ya ave wo bi no le leki ya yan ma e na je o emi nu we wa ri wa ve YouTube no yan we mi we de yan ma yan to re se Iyan to o Ilolekia dota mama ede tinu ayari ebe ninu we yenu we dota meri agbon ko yenu we dota meri agbon oja Ilolekia lare o yeke nu we na mi reference o nu we yawe nwina nu we nwina ni dota mama ya uga we nwina ni oko hospital ni we na ka nwina ya iya must to gbin letter nu o nu yawo ni ya okon nu mu certificate mi obobo emi na to certificate yo certificate no uwe wa mu won bo eja a reference man na ro ibi aba ari nwina no wa o una le yami. If you don't have reference in this UK, you cannot work as a care supporter. You must to stay under somewhere and be working because you can get a letter to do a reference. Thank you, Damo Jasper. Damo Jasper, my love, please, it's okay. All right? You know you love me. Everybody said it. Please, let's talk. We hide your number to call me. We hide this. Oh, yeah, they call back. I'm going to pick it. I'll pick. I'm going to put your voice for speaker. Let me listen. Now. Not be so. Not be so. Rima Rekbe. If they jealousy everybody, go jealousy Yeki, go jealousy Kate, go jealousy me. You know why? When I not see that time when I be one can judge their case, after he let us beat Naomi, he said, no, don't touch the other one, don't touch the other one, don't touch the other one. You understand? Who goes there? You know what talk? Oh, hello. Do you want me to? Hello? Talk to me. Yes. You want me to put the speaker? Okay. All right. It's a fraud. Yes. Call me back. Yes, a fraudulent lady. They are calling me. You are a fraud. We must allow you for this UK. Yeah. How do you get that resident permit? How do you? How? How? If you are not living here for 5 years, you cannot get it. You think you will not leave me alone? Yes, the correct immigration do. Here do value you to. Here where you ya pack your demana. Evidence to prove. You the place. Ekbu eno ya. Mugere Benjamin no go ekpe. Ko ere Benjamin okbu eno ya. Ere Benjamin soko eno ya. Eh ya okay. Carlos it. Okay. My people, let me go and sleep. I must sleep. If anybody writes anything about Yeki, bad here, because when I finish my video, I watch, I will tell my admin, yeah, delete and block. You people should stop. When Lala is a bully. He's bullying everybody. He think he's the one who don't got. Because people just want to ignore you. Because all your words full of stupidity. All your words full of stupid. He's performing evil. Like, whereas your evil, not they go. You know the evil come up for your outside. See the way he carry plantain. Excuse me, guys. That day you they cry for year. You say he tie in your head before day. Day break. After 3 days, where you do that, I know what see. My daughter husband, he go change my picking car. After I do that thing, the next 3 days, your husband go change the car. No, say I mean by car. Your husband change John to new brand Jeep Ogoregutu. They're not carry a packer because hey, one person go born one people now laugh. If he born two now laugh. If he born three now laugh. He not born at all now laugh. Why are you hoy? No, more I not bully anybody. Please. See, guys, whether Monica fans, my fans, where we are not talking about those people, don't bully, please. Don't bully nobody when you see either that I'm just by anybody, don't bully anybody here. We are trying to make peace here, make things normal. You can't bully that Majaspa or bully to be John. No, let me talk to them. They come my platform, right? I don't know them for face, but let me talk to them is a way that we can resolve problem. Because by the time you are bullying, they will go to bully Yeki. I don't need them. I don't want anybody to talk to Yeki any again. Whether my fans or his fans or whatever. You guys should stop. Stop that. My Gualoni. I don't need them. Stop bullying. I don't want. What is your name? What's up? I remember the many calls when I receive. Mommy B, not go join her. I did on my own. No. Mommy B, you want to join Monica? Mommy B, upon what you do you? Mommy B, now said, he said no one insult me again. Me too, I no one insult him again. Simple. He dey lay, me dey my lay. So we come here, I hear when Iyeki, because the phone fall from my hands. When Iyeki they talk last night, they mention that they cause hand, the thing fall from my hands. Say, this morning, if I do live, they let me talk to Toby John and Nelly Black. You understand me? You know? He gets something one I'll do person, but they go to pepper. Before you go insult to now, no go know. And now when they want mention, now me they mention. Now mommy be know them. Now mommy be fans. Mona, not be everybody I know. Not be everybody I know. But they see them here, see them. I see they see them. Somehow you see them. Toby John say they London. You never want to set my eye. He know me. Oh. I feel pass on for road. After you come right down, he will write down for my platform. Mommy B, you pass me for road today. Your way. Oh, why me? Maybe that person when me and he go sit down. The name when I tell you are different. The name another name go be. Una dey hear me. Maybe if you be saying a hairdresser, you dey hear me. Because if I go lose this hair now, you see Toby Joy, you go tell me say, Mama, you lose your hair today. Now so you go talk. I also lose my hair. Go make sure the real person way do. Because it's there. I don't know. So I beg. No, I beg. I beg. Mona stop it. You know, Mona stop. You know, say they laugh. Ya bo egbe ya muwe. Nelly Black, iga, Nelly Black obi me. Waja. Toby Joy na mi we be pekan. Iga da we da dan. I me afiun we. Ya afiun we Ya afiun we. I wa afiun ekpo e. Ekpo e ni no I wa afiun. Because when kweni ado akpa mi sikanya me ma like Stop it, my darling. Nelly Black. Dama Jasper, my love, please. It's okay, all right? You know I love you guys. It's okay. All right? No more insult, please. Because by the time you are insulted, they start insulting you. Insult people where they insult me. Simple. I will know you are my real fans. Anywhere they talk bad against me, Papa go ne. Era. He to say era see he reach Nigeria. Now I go follow him. If Papa not bring go Nigeria. So I go follow him. The day when Papa Benjina, he first me did this abroad. For how many days? No, no, Uhebo here. You know the car. Uhebo. Now. When our Papa de Nigeria, they make an Arab Benjina there with Bodo. One Benji, since your father was here, you don't ever travel, go home. For where? For where? Wow. Come on. But Kenya. Who do na something on a fire? You not concern me. Anybody offend you, you fire and you get it. But anybody will not offend me, I know can't see the fire. Again, I cook bomb and make cook bomb. Again, I cook bomb. Do God. Now bye. Let me sleep. I love all of you. Mona, show me throw love for me. Let me off this video. Thumbs up. Let me see who they thumbs up for me. Thumbs up. Before we off the video. Thumbs up, guys. Do thumbs up. Let me see you. Let me see your thumbs up. Your thumbs up. If not, we know we'll come back. The remaining audio. Thumbs up for Mama. Gee. Ima will know good. Ima natural good or say salam. Bogri. Nelly Black, I love you for my heart. Not before mouth. You know, some people love you for years. So that's why they beat their lover. Agnes, I love you for my heart. Anybody will not love, that's why they beat them for, they will come beat them later. Unana, even though I do me something, I don't feel beaten. Una see that they are just say, oh, Mona, sorry. Simple, finish there. I want to be me. I could go out value. I could go gagenoria. Gagara! You know, see now, I carry a with for Nelly Black. No, not see what we did. Somebody say one can be Nelly Black. And I so told me, let Facebook spoil. Now we take the one with this one. Hey, that's my baby girl. Julia Robinson. You know now, Julia Robinson, if you keep person for me. Guy, that one, if I don't hear a voice 2 days, that one be like my picking. That Julia Robinson, if I don't hear a voice for 2 days, okay, ni go. Again, you see, it too near me, I'm not sure say the way I tell love one, me I not call mistake. If I don't hear a voice, it will have here. Now my husband go, they say, wait now, maybe go walk now. He go, he might not soon die. It got a Nelly Black. I help me go. Agnes, go at ye. I go in my, I'll be very offended. When you with Saga, it's a way. He give us Saga. He will what a man. Oh, all those I get him. Wait me. Oh, you will know Riazem me. You may only have ye. Oh, you will money. Need you may be. Why me, baby? Maybe love for the mammy there. In the ear, tea good name. Oh, my, your book can make better. That's for him. But you go away, I give you where when no one we have to be in the black we live don't answer. Go no polo kelly. No kelly, wait, I scratch you when you come live.